Hi guys, let's see how to import a geographical site in PVSys. So go for a database to import a geographical site. Go for geographical site. In this you have a list of predefined locations. Depending upon the countries you will be having the locations. In case you need to select with the new site, go for a new. In this you have two options, inserting the coordinates and getting it from the map. So in interactive map, you can just search for the location and you can just import the file. And another option is geographical coordinates. Just type the name of the site and just typing as Pondicherry, it is Pondi. And the country, it is in India. So I'm going with India. And the region is Asia. So going with the latitude and longitude and altitude, you can get it from the web. So just copy down from the web. So it is. I'm going for an altitude. The same you can get it from web. And the time zone is T. So after entering all the data, just you need to import the file. You have two type of file. One is Meteoronom and one more is NASA. So I'm going to import now Meteoronom file. Just give import. So it takes some time to get imported. So and after getting imported, you have to save. So you just it is got the global radiation and diffusion temperature and wind level. For every month, you will be having these details and just click OK and save the site. You can see the site has been saved. So can you see that? I just created a new site. And one more option to create a new site is going for a database again and import Metero data. This is the one more option you have. So in this, you can select the list of available Metero data. You have NASA here, Meteoronom here, and PVAs and a number of data. So I'm going to import it now with NASA now. So already you have seen with the Meteoronom. So now I'm going to get, insert with NASA. So again going for a site. So going with the name of Pondicherry and selecting the country India and region will be Asia and time zone is 5.3 and the latitude and longitude you can get it from the web as usual. 11.9416. So just copy down and paste it with the latitude and longitude. And latitude is 3. After entering all the data, just import. So NASA file has been imported now. So and create a Metero data. So just execute generation. You will be having Metro data of NASA from NASA. So successfully it has been generated now. So you can see one met file created and you need to save the file. So just save it and it has been saved. So when you're going for a project design, grid connected system, and you need to select the site which you have created now. Go site material, select from created, right? Yeah, can you see it? So NASA file has been created, Pondicherry, and just click OK and save the project. And save it. So just create a new variant and after this giving input to them. So it for 12 degrees of tilt and azimuth is 0, and system design I'm going to have it with simple. So I'm getting Adani F335 watt peak and grow out of 30 kilowatt inverter. So I'm just unclick the MPPT number of inverters will be 1. So you can just have maximum of 20 modules in series. And MPPT is just 2 MPPT, maximum you can have 4 number of inputs. In case you have any doubt with MPPT, just open the file and just look into the number of inputs, additional parameters. So total number of strings can be inputted is 8. So just you can have maximum of 8 number of inputs. Just go with 80 number of modules and just increase the number of strings. In case you need to overload it, so overload to a certain percent, maximum of 30%. So I'm loading by 25%. In this pnom ratio, you can just see 1.25. It is the DC to AC overloading percent. And the losses you're getting due to overloading is 0. So it is okay to proceed. Just after giving simulation, just simulate it and click OK. You will be getting a report now. So you can see the report. Already explained this report how to, what are the details will be available in this video, this report in my previous video. You can just look into it. The report has been generated. You can just look out what are the details will be available in this report. I have already simulated and executed a report and explained what will be the things available in this report. You can look into my previous video. Thank you.